Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Thursday, the 26th of July. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. And locally, our inflation numbers missed the mark and came in under the forecast. The market reacted accordingly with the Aussie US dollar dropping initially around about 40-50 pips at the news release. The Aussie did recover later in the session, but that was mainly due to USD weakness than any actual recovery in the Aussie dollar. The Aussie USD is now currently trading at 74.50. From the US, we saw the crude oil number come in at minus 6.1 million barrels for the week, but the main talking point for the session was Mr. Trump's insistence on introducing a 25% tariff tax on all imported vehicles. That would affect essentially around about $200 billion worth of foreign-made cars later this year. And as you can imagine, investors did not react well to this news, and the USD lost ground against all the majors for the session. All right, that's all that's happened yesterday. Time to have a look at our chart of the day. And the chart that I found for us this morning is, or actually incidentally, yesterday's chart did not trigger. We broke the candle on the wrong side. But this morning's chart is the US CAD. As you can see from the chart that I'm showing you here, really nice rising wedge. We can see on the top side we've had 1, 2 and 3 touches up top. Down the bottom we've had 1, 2, and we are approaching a potential third touch. So I've highlighted this area of interest, or our hot zone, so to speak. So what essentially we want to happen is we want the market to come into this region, provide for us some type of price action reversal candle formation in there, and once we get that, then we will be set and ready to go to try and attempt to trade back up that wedge. So there you have it. That's the US CAD on a daily. It's not quite ready yet, but add it to your hot list, and that is our chart of the day. Okay, what's happening in the session which is about to kick off? Well, we have this evening at 9:45 from Europe, we have the refinancing rate. So we see if they're going to make an interest rate decision in Europe. So that's the actual release itself. At 10:30 we get the press conference, which follows any comments made on that economy and the monetary policy statement itself. So that'll be in the conference at 10:30. Also at 10:30 from the US we get the core durable goods numbers, which are to be released. That about wraps up the session. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.